And 17 News is your local election headquarters, and a good evening to you on this Tuesday. I'm Eytan Wallace. Now, during the DNC, we had our Democratic analyst, Neil Sinapa. So during the RNC, we have our Republican political analyst, Cathy Abernathy. Cathy is in studio now with reaction to the RNC. Thanks for taking the time, Cathy.
Well, sure.
All right, well, first, I want to talk about night one of the RNC. We just saw a little bit just now, but as we take a look at the video here, South Carolina Senator Tim Scott, former UN ambassador